It's never been easier than now to determine what RV your vehicle can tow. Let's jump right into it. We have this great tool on leesautoandrv.com, and you go to our interactive tow guide, which is right underneath our vehicle inventory. You click on that. This tool can be used on your smartphone, your tablet, or your PC. I'm on our PC here today, and let's begin. We find out how much your vehicle can tow. We click tow guide, and the particular vehicle that I'm driving right now is a 2016. It is a Dodge Ram. It's a 1500 crew cab short bed, which is right up here. And I just got to find my four-wheel drive V8 engine. We scroll down and we've come down to this unit right here. I can pick this unit. It is 9,830 pounds. And on our particular website, it'll actually filter out the RVs that I can tow that are within my tow rating of 9,830 pounds. Click on that. I have to understand, I got to make sure I'm complying with all of those parameters to make sure I truly can tow that. I understand I can continue that. And now it's broken out 61 RVs in our inventory that we can tow. And I'm on a budget, and also I have 6 to 8 people I want to sleep. This tool is, again, will even bring me deeper into the website. On this particular case, I want to sleep 6 to 8 people, and my price range is up to $30,000. Now I have limited it down to 11 units that I can tow. It's within my budget of $30,000 and under, and I want to be able to sleep between 6 and 8 people. I have 11 units to choose from. What a great tool this is. Thank you for watching this little interactive guide today on how to search for your perfect RV and what your vehicle can tow. If you found some products that you are interested in, feel free to come down and visit with one of our lifestyle consultants.